Welcome back, Chuck here at Garden Spot Acres. Thanks for coming along on the video today. We're on video 6 of the tiny home log cabin build, and we're working on that course right at the window level. So we're going to finish this course up, then we're going to go ahead and put this window frame in that goes right there. There's the window frame over here. This course I'm putting on right now is a 6-inch course. These courses run anywhere from 5 to 6.5. And I got up here and I measured this, and this window frame here is 6 inches taller than that one. So I went with a 6-inch course here to even out the tops. So that window frame will go in after I put this piece here, and I get that one finished up over there also. Then we'll go ahead and put this window frame in, and we'll continue building up our courses. I don't want to use my miter saw because I don't want to ruin a blade that cost me 60 bucks. Because there are a lot of nails in this, like we talked about before. Let's see what we got here. $100. I'm going to make it 100. I think I'll actually glue that back on. I'll save that. Sometimes these are buggers to get in. So I'll just move that and drop the whole thing on the ground. There we go. think I'm gonna double up this last sill seal here on this course. This has been axed out to fit something, probably a floor. Not bad. 89.9. Not bad. So right now, after going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 courses, I'm off half a degree on levelness. Hit that notification bell. Don't miss the next one. Hit that like button and also leave a comment. I appreciate it. See you guys on the next one. Have a great day. Bye-bye.